This one got smacked right in this left rear quarter panel here. I'm gonna scribe my final cut points.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner.
I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one got smacked right in this left rear quarter panel here. I destroyed it. So it's gonna get a new quarter panel, and it's also gonna get this side gutter piece goes right there, which is all wadded up in this area. New quarter panel right here as well. But first I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna make a quick pull on this quarter panel to roughly pull that damage out before I start cutting it apart. Since this panel is getting replaced, I just went ahead and drilled a hole in the middle of it. I'm gonna put this plate back here. Use this to pull off of. So this quarter panel is going to get sectioned in right in this area, then right in here. There's actually a measurement. They had me measure 80 millimeters down from right here and 30 millimeters down from right there. And those are going to be my final sectioning joints. And then this car also has a dog leg procedure to section this bottom section in. So I'm going to use this cut joint as my bottom joint. And it's 220 millimeters down from right here. So I'm going to mark that. Cut these a little short to start with, and then I'll trim back to my final cutting points. So I'm going to go ahead and get this panel cut off and get this back piece cut off. Now I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there. I'm going to scribe my final cut points. Then I will lift this panel back off and I'll finish trimming the car out to where I have a perfect cut right here. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta fit up my back door to make sure this part of the panel is sitting correctly. Then I'm also going to make sure everything back here is fitting correctly. So I'm gonna do that. Once I get it sitting right where it's supposed to be, it'll be ready to weld on. Now that gap looks perfect, exactly what we want. So now I'm gonna check the back.